Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Let's get straight into the charts, and this is the gold chart, the weekly chart. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor, this is just for fun, but look at this. Exactly as predicted, we hit 1830 and we had this this is the weekly chart. We had this area of resistance. We broke through it, and once we do that, then of course we will hit the target, which was 1830. And this is exactly what we did. Now, what the message is for me on the weekly chart, we still have this trend line, but yeah, this is also causing a bit of trouble. We need to break above that. But the message of this chart is that we are, since we broke out of this wedge, which is a bullish pattern, this falling wedge, we broke out of this wedge, and this has a clear message to me. We started our way up to 1900. So this is the message of the chart. Once we break above 1830, then it will be clear for everyone that this is a very bullish trend, a bullish breakthrough, and we will get to 1800 sooner than you think. Let's look at the daily chart and see what's going on there and what the message is on the daily chart. So this is gold and the daily chart on gold. We have a pullback right now, 1830. Of course, I closed my long positions, I opened short positions, but I closed my short positions as well. Why? We may get back to 1810 looking at this chart. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, we can get back. Yeah, I could have, I don't know why I forgot why I closed my short positions, but I closed it. But anyway, looking at this chart, we can get back to 1810. Yeah, or yeah, I think 1810 or this area, 1804, 1810, 1800, around this area we can get back there. But before going up and breaking through this line of resistance here, so we may spend some time zigzagging here, but eventually I believe we will break above. Let me just look at the 4-hour chart and see what is there. So that's gold, the 4-hour chart on gold. Yes, and there's a 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, we could have a pullback to the 20 EMA, which is around 1818. But of course, we can even break below that. It's a bullish trend on the 4-hour chart because 20 EMA crossed the 50 EMA, and that's the reason. If it's a bullish trend, we may get a pullback only to this level. We don't have to break down below it, but we can and touch the 50 EMA. So yeah, that's much about gold. Let's go over to silver. Silver chart. Okay, so that's silver, a 4-hour chart on silver. We break above this area of resistance. We pulled back and touched, there's a line here, touched this line, 1424.020-ish area, or on the 4-hour chart this is actually right now around the 50 EMA area. But we pulled back and touched this line, and this was the line, the neckline of the inverse head and shoulder, and this is a nice structure. So we pulled back and we started our way back up again. So this is very bullish for me, and out of this inverse head and shoulder pattern, my target, I measured it, and my target is actually 25. So we are on our way to $25 level. All my previous price targets have been hit, and this is a valid price target for me, $25 level. So we are on our way up, but of course we can have pullbacks, as I shared with you, and even to 23.8, but I don't think we will go there because we have this nice structure. We already touched the neckline of this structure and we went back up, so I don't we may not have any more pullbacks to even to this area, but we may just start to go upwards. That's what the chart is telling me. Let's look at the daily chart on silver. So this is silver and the daily chart on silver, and the daily chart is telling me that we are leaving this area of resistance, I think, because yesterday we had a pullback but came back above this area and closed around this level or above this level, and right now we are again breaking up above this level. And on the daily chart on silver, we can see that we have a low here, and here we have a higher low, and here we have a high, and let's hope this is not a lower high, but we will continue and go upwards. This could be a bullish flag. In that case, I don't know if I have looked at it, probably not, because this is a new thing. Let's measure this. If this is a bullish flag, it can be measured, and yeah, from the bottom to the top, just a quick measurement, may not be very precise, but anyway, I just want to look at it. And where is it? Around here, I guess. Yeah, around here. Yeah, and the price target is actually this resistance area. So we are on our way not only to 25, but 25.5 up to 25.88ish levels between this area. We will probably stop here and spend some time here, but once we break above 24.8, that will be a very bullish sign for silver. Once we have a daily close above this area, then I would say my price target is 28. Not only this area, we might spend some time here, pull back, spend some time here, and eventually we will break above this level, and then a clear price target of 28 will be attacked, and I of course after that I will open actually big long positions with price target of 28. So that's the message of the daily chart. Let's go over to the weekly chart, see what's going on there. So this is silver, a weekly chart on silver. On the weekly chart, we broke out of this wedge, falling wedge, which was a bullish pattern. We broke above. We spent some time in this area of resistance, and right now I believe we are breaking out and going to our next area of resistance. We are on our way there. So I think we had a bullish turnaround. We have a low, we have a higher low. Now we need a here we have a high, and we need a higher high, and once we get there we may have a higher high. We may have a pullback to build even a higher low again before eventually breaking above and going to 28. Okay, so that's all for now. You can subscribe to my channel if you want to receive these daily video updates. See you next time.